Good morning. Today I had a bagel with some sour cream or cream cheese and a banana. It was really good. And yesterday I worked and then we went out to vote. We're here at the voting place and it's really coming down. It's not sticking yet, but sure makes a mess. Kind of pretty.
Elijah can go in. They probably got something for him. I don't know.
Oh yeah. We're at Burger King getting a chicken sandwich and fries. It's 2 for $4.99 with 2 chicken sandwiches and 2 fries. It's a pretty good deal. And we're up. Hope you're having a good day. I'm on my way to work. It's kind of a rainy, dreary kind of a day here in Wisconsin today. Pretty wet out, but there will be sunnier days ahead. But I'll talk to you when I get done work. Thanks for watching. Well, I made it home safe from work and I'm going to settle in and feed the dogs a little bit and have a snack and then hit the hay. I have early appointments in the morning. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Quote of the day is,